You want your wrinkles to go away. Do you want your hands to embarrass you when you're talking to people, or when you are out there and people just see you and say, wow, what's wrong with her? Because of what? The dark spots. So try to watch this recipe and then get to try it in your house and let me know on the comment section. Okay?
I love you, boy.
I love you too.
It's you and I.
Baby, it's me and you.
And no matter what they say,
No matter.
I'ma love you every single day.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Maram with another skincare video. I am back here like I never left. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. Today I'm here for the ones who are complaining about their wrinkled body. Yes. Why is my body so wrinkled? Why is my body not really smooth? Why my knuckles are dark? Why it is that? So many questions about themselves because of their hands. They can't even talk and do like this. They can't even talk and be filtering their hands because they feel like their hands are not presentable. And you know what? This is very important whenever someone sees you out there, because I think it's the first thing apart from your face somebody can see. That's why I like wearing my watches. Guys, I sell watch, okay? If you're in Abuja, contact me. I'm gonna sell watch to you. Yes, I have beautiful watches and beautiful perfumes. I know I have stayed back for so long, but it's due to some circumstances beyond my control. But right now, I am here, and I'm here for another skincare. Guys, I'm gonna deal with almond oil today. I know you all know almond oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and we're gonna make our skin soft and smooth, and we're gonna reduce the dark knuckles. Or the dark spot on our hands. So that's the reason today I'm going to use lightening products, and I'm also going to use things that you know that they are super amazing because they are anti-inflammatory. They are there to help you to grow your new skin. Undergrow skins will come up when we use these products, and you all know the reason why I'm going to use brown sugar. So definitely I'm gonna need brown sugar because I want the new layer of my skin to grow. And I'm also gonna use lime. Everybody knows that anybody who is trying to whitening or lightening your skin out there, you normally use syrup, and this is one of the vitamin C I prefer so much. Lime. I know people use lemon a lot, but I use lime. For whatever been the reason, I don't know. Mara, what is the reason? I don't really know. I just prefer it. Okay? So I feel like it's more acidic. It can do the work faster than the lemon. I'm gonna be using honey here. This is the manual grinder. I'm gonna also use knife. Irish potato is there to help you to brightening dark spots or your eye band. But today we are not here for the face, we are here for our hands. I'm gonna be needing sugar. Oh my god, I'm gonna be needing brown sugar. Is my best choice. You can use any kind of sugar you want, either the white sugar. Is there anything like green yellow sugar? I don't know. But I know the brown sugar is the best. You're gonna be needing the brown sugar to moisturize our skin tone. Yes, and it's gonna remove the dark, the unhealthy, or the unwanted, or the undergrow of the skin will grow up. So that's why we're gonna use this today. So guys, I think I have already demonstrated a lot about these things. You know, the almond oil can go for the hair, can also go for the body. So this particular one I have here is just a pure almond oil. Is there for any use. You can use it to fry, you can use it to bake, you can use it to moisturize your body, you can use it for your hair growth. So anything can go for this. So definitely I need this almond oil. So guys, before I talk too much in this video, let's just go straight to the tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, it depends. So I'm going to be adding my bio oil. It's very organic. Yes, just a drop. Okay, this is not water, it's oil. And my almond oil, last but not the least. So I'm gonna come here. Here you go. So at this stage, if you are the one who lightens your skin, you can use turmeric here. But I am not gonna use turmeric. I'm not gonna use turmeric. So this is the paste. Are you seeing this? This is the paste. So I'm gonna use it and rub my hands. That means I'm gonna scrub my hands thoroughly. Scrub everywhere you think you have wrinkles or dark spot. So don't hesitate to do it. Don't feel like this is not good looking, I can't do it. You gotta do it. I want to do it because I want my hands to look smooth and fresh. It's too embarrassing when your hands are dirty or everywhere is dark knuckles. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Don't feel like it's nasty, guys. Just use it and see results. I am good now. You get it? So I'm gonna be disposing this and wash my hands. Come back and show you guys the results. My hands are smooth, soft, bright, and beautiful at this stage. Did you see this? Tell me the difference before and now. Just be honest to yourself. See my hands. Just be honest to yourself. Just be honest to yourself. Oil to moisturize my face. I'm gonna use the oil to moisturize my hands. I'm so happy because my hands are soft. It's looking so soft and smooth and bright. So definitely you have to try this if you want your hands to be presentable out there. And try this recipe and you will see a lot of results. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and then stay tuned for more video. Bye bye and see you guys later.